What are we doing today?
We're getting our rocks out of our rock tumbler thing.
So we went to the store today and we got this strainer that Alan has dubbed his hat. We have a 5-gallon bucket and we have our rocks. So we're going to dump them in here and rinse them off and see how they look. Okay?
Like that?
Like that. Okay, and now we're going to unscrew this guy.
Can I do it?
Yeah. Nope, other way. There we go. Unscrew it all the way.
It's not unscrewed. Hey.
And then we have this guy.
I can do it, Mom.
Nope, it's very tight. Okay, thank you, Dada. Okay, Alan, will you lift that up?
Now we can this.
And then we're going to pop this guy out of here.
One.
Look at that!
What?
Ew, why'd you touch it?
I didn't mean to.
Okay, hold on.
Made a terrible
Cause
mistake.
someone.
Hold on.
What?
So we're going to set that right there. Will you put your fingers over? Put your fingers over. There you go.
Oh.
I'll rinse them off for you. Rub your fingers around so you can rinse them off.
Thank you.
We rinsed off our top.
It's disgusting.
It's disgusting. You shouldn't have touched it.
It looks like chocolate milk too.
Yeah, it does kind of look like chocolate milk. That's
See, this looks like chocolate milk.
very interesting. All right, Alan, step that way just a little. We're going to pour this out. And I did a little bit of research, so I'm pouring it into this bucket because I haven't decided what I want to do with the slurry yet. Some people say you could just dump it in your yard. Some people say you could let it dry and throw it away, or you can use it in another round of stuff. So we're just going to see what we want to do. I'm putting more water
Ooh,
in here.
there's our
I'm going to
pink
swish it
one.
around. You don't want to pour the slurry down the sink, so I'm trying to make sure I get as much of it out of here as I can. I probably also should not have worn my Vans for this. Alright.
Oh, those ones. Ooh, the rocks look pretty cool.
They do. I see some of our progress rocks in there. Alright.
What the Daddy? Look at one of your ones that I decided to put in there. Well, actually, we just put in all your ones that were in that bag.
These are pretty cool.
Oh my gosh.
Right. I'm out of water now. This is one of our progress rocks. Here. Look at that, Alan.
This one is amazing. Oh, it feels so cool. Dad,
This
you
one-
should feel this thing.
This one is a piece of concrete.
Okay.
That, I think, is our piece of coquina rock.
So this is a piece of coquina rock
Wow,
we put
look
in
at this
there.
amethyst, Alan. Look at that.
Whoa. This is some of our amethyst. It's pretty cool, and it looked like if it was a human, it got cut and blood's coming out.
There's that piece that I wasn't sure if it was glass or not.
And what is it?
I still can't tell.
Maybe after our full progress, it will be good.
Oh, and this is the one that had the band in it from the first video. That is cool.
Whoa! That looks like if this rock was a food rock, I would definitely want to eat it. If this was a food rock, I would definitely want to eat it.
Wow, look at this. I think that's amethyst too.
Ooh.
Honey, will you show me that picture?
Who
Oh, thank you.
thinks this is amethyst?
Will you show me that picture that we used for progress so I
Amethyst.
can redo
This
it?
might be amethyst, but this might not be. We don't know. But this looks pretty cool. Here.
Thank you. Wow, that's really purple.
I have some right here.
This one has polka dots.
Hey, this is one of my rocks. This is one of my polka dot rocks.
This is one of your original rocks too.
Yes,
It was cut but not polished yet.
okay, it doesn't feel so rough anymore.
Some of these are getting really tiny. Okay. This was our progress photo before. We're going to try to recreate it.
Coming out.
I can't tell.
Let me see. Give me the picture. Which one are you trying to figure out?
The orange one at the top left-hand corner.
What
I think it's one of these
Look at this.
It might
This
be this
is
one right here.
awesome.
In the top left corner?
What the?
Yeah. It would have been right here on my hand.
I think it's probably that darker colored one
This
or
one?
that other one.
I think it might be this one because it has those. I don't know.
What
I'm
the?
gonna
Okay, no.
My rock shrunk.
You got the bottom one already? Yeah, you do. Okay.
Dad, my rock shrunk.
Hand me the basket.
This rock was about this big before.
Watch out
It
for
was
the
this big
stuff
before,
underneath
but
it.
now it's this big.
I don't want that to do a recreation of the
Hey,
progress
Dad,
picture.
I'm still
so far.
showing some of those.
I'll give it back to you in just a second, okay?
And this is what the slurry looks like for anybody who's wondering. Okay.
This looks like chocolate milk for some reason.
It does
but
look
it's
like
not.
chocolate milk. Put it back. Now can you see that? We gotta keep our rocks a little wet so they don't crack or anything. So we're gonna do this for these guys, and we're gonna do this for these guys.
Why do we have to make sure they don't crack?
Well, because we don't want them to break. We want to keep polishing them. Alright, can I recreate that picture?
I just want
Thank
to
you.
look at this one.
That's about it.
Oh,
One of my
those
rocks-
other two came out really cool. The two on towards your pinky.
So, now it's time for us to move on to the next step. Alan, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we got our step 2 or step 1 grit out of here. We're just going to do one more swish around to make sure. So
Are you
rinse our
dumping it on our rock?
rocks off really good. And now we need to reload everything back in here. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Let's start putting the rocks in.
This one.
In there.
There's some of these guys. Like all these together except for this one and this one. This kind of looks like eggs.
Yeah. There's some more tiny guys in there. No one wanted! So now we have our fine grit that we're going to add. I have my trusty Wendy's spoon over here that I'm going to use for measuring again.
Again,
Yep,
same one?
yep. We're going to do just a little bit less than we did before. Can you come hold this for me? Thank you. Hold it just like that.
Okay, cool. I like moving this around on top of the rocks.
We're going to fill it up. Filling this up with water. Remove your hand just a little. There we go. We're filling up our container here with some water. And we want to shake that so it's all level. Shake it till it's level. All right. Now, we have our measurement. We're going to try to do this without getting wind blown or anything.
And now we're going to put in our fine grit, which is good because
Which is
we need that for the next step. Ooh, it's very sparkly.
It is very sparkly. 1,
2 spoons of fine grit.
2 spoons of fine grit. We'll try to show it to you guys so you can see how sparkly it is. Look at that.
It's easier to see when you're actually
2.
there.
We're going to do just a little bit. A little more.
Can I stir it a little?
No, we don't need to stir it.
I wanted to get like spread around. What are you doing?
No, it's okay.
I think we should just wash that off into there.
No, we're going to do this because we don't want to waste it.
I don't care if you spray me.
Did I spray you?
Shake it a little.
No.
I just want that big spot of it to fix. What? Oh!
What?
Come here.
What?
I'm going.
What do you see? What is it?
It's kind of like a backhoe, but it's not.
Is it an excavator?
That's not an excavator.
Is it a front end loader?
No, it doesn't have the back thing.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll go investigate in a minute.
It's the mini tool bag.
My son really loves construction vehicles. And our neighbors are having work done on their house right now, like the outside. They're moving lots of dirt. He's very excited.
It's kind of like a
All right.
bulldozer, but it's got a scoop in the front.
Kind of like a bulldozer, but it's got a scoop in the front. All right.
I'm going to keep walking.
Sorry that I'm wearing a black shirt doing this because it's probably not very helpful. But first,
Hey, I'm
you
going
want
to
to take this. And you want to get it all in here past that first lip and try to keep it all level around the top here. And then we're going to take this side. And we're going to put it on there. And we're going to push it down.
That's all.
A skid steer?
Yeah, I'm going to take a picture of it.
Okay. This is very hard for little old injured me to do. Sometimes you might need to ask for help. That's okay. But I don't think I need help with this today. I think I got it. So here, you can see you want that kind of level all the way around. This side is still a little bit of a gap, so we're going to push it down. Push, push. Okay. Now, so, I pushed this all the way down, put the washer on the top here, and now we're going to screw it. Oh, dang it, Alan!
What?
We messed up.
What did you mess up, Mom?
Well, I was supposed to do a day of soap before the fine grit, remember? So now we have to make a decision. Do you want to dump it out and do the day of soap, or do you just want to run it with the fine grit?
I want to do it with. Let's just do it with the fine grit.
So
We're just
gonna go for it.
Yeah, we'll just go. I
Okay.
don't care really.
Well, I don't know what the difference is. I think that the day of soap is supposed to be so it like washes the coarse grit out of any of the cracks and stuff. But
if it's in the cracks. I don't care.
I don't really know. I don't really know if it matters. I've never done this before. But because I don't want to waste any of this product that I bought, I don't want to dump the fine grit out before it's ran. So
We're just gonna do it. We're just gonna do it.
I think we're just gonna do it. We're just gonna run this for 7 days on fine grit, and we're gonna see how it turns out. And then, if somebody would kindly remind me, maybe we can do a drop or two of dish soap for 1 day in between the fine grit and the first round of polish. How does that sound?
Yeah.
Yeah? Does that sound good? We're experimenting. We don't really know what we're doing.
Okay. Bye. Mom, say bye.